to Henry and the Dozeman. Today is a very special video. We're going to a cubing competition.
Woo!
Today's going to be a long day of cubes and fun and maybe meeting Carrie Kwong.
What? From?
The FDI.
And what are we competing in?
3x3 and 2x2.
Okay, so what are you shooting for the times in those categories?
In 3x3, I want to get at least one sub-1 solve. And for 2x2, maybe a sub-20.
Nice.
Second solve.
Okay, we're going to be checking in all day long.
Yep.
Where are we going?
Hey guys, I am in the convention now. It's backwards. But I have a little visor and I'm officially registered. Megaminx is just finishing up right now. We're gonna get into the new cubers, so that's gonna be cool. And I've done some 3x3 practice. This is my main, the Moyo R3MB5 standard. And it's pretty fast. See you later.
Of stack cubing.
Woo!
Hello.
Yeah, I think.
Another check-in happening. 3x3 is officially started. I'm in group 4, and right now group 2 is solving. So yeah, I'm also a judge in 2x2. That's gonna be weighed later at like 5. How are you feeling, Daddy?
We're feeling pretty good. Henry just set a couple personal bests. How did we do?
I got a 51, and I got another 51, and I got 57.
And I got a DNF.
Round 1. Okay, it works, sir. We have the combination.
He's doing pretty well.
We are in the car now. We just got out of 3 guys and we're about to watch 4x4. I'm competing in 2 hours-ish, more like 3, and that's going to be cool. I also have a tinfoil cube now.
So how do you feel about 3x3?
Good, that's for sure. And how are you feeling?
Amazing.
After a hard day of cubing.
I can't see it. Oh, the tape is on. I came back the
Wow.
3x3 round 2, and I think that's it. I'm about to judge 2x2,
Whoa.
and I just got to meet Carrie Long in person.
Who's that?
He's the creator of BFDI, which is the shirt I'm wearing.
What?
There's a clip that you probably watched before this that's all about it.
Whoa.
I'm very excited to compete for this guy. I just finished 2x2. I got a 12-second solve.
What?
Crazy.
Crazy!
And I might make it in the finals. Who knows?
We'll see.
I'm excited. I really hope I do make it in the finals, though.
Boy, I had so much fun.